Welcome to my showcase. My name is Frederick, and today we'll be talking about document automation. Working on this project has been the most essential thing that has happened to me and to the company. And without further ado, let's jump into it. In 20 years from now, our Documentum team wants to be 100% on cloud, using the cloud services and features such as being flexible in scalability, in capacity that is based on the use of the resources needed, automating data recovery and features like S3 if you use like AWS, automation, patching, software update for security vulnerability, and just the document control. This will give them the competitiveness, ability that they need to be on top of competition and also work from anywhere globally. The current issue that we are trying to resolve with this project is that after every patching, which is bi-weekly, all our publishing services, rendition services, and LDAP synchronization job, they all fail. And then it takes like 2 to 3 days SLA to get this system back and running. And sometimes when we have the database issues, stuff like that, it can take up to a week. And this has brought bad image between my team and the business as a whole. And so the issue is doing things manually. As we can see from the diagram, we have the content server where all applications are being run. Content server is related to the database and the file system that are stored there. So that means if we restart the content services, it's able to connect to the database and restart the database services. Database services is also connected to the DFC properties, user IDs, and everything like that. It's also connected to the IDS services that start up the renditioning, which is creating the different version of the document and getting that document published to the site for users. Here is the quick architecture of how everything is connected. We have the doc broker that goes down. Doc broker is connected to the method server connected to renditioning, and everything else leading back down to our repository and to the Docbase. Now automation will have some great features like improve organization and centralize our communication and establish a process at the workflow and reduce the staff involvement, because if services are running, you don't need me to be able to be there and start our services. That does not mean that it won't have cons. Anything that has pro has the cons, which is like the cost of implementation, time needed to get everything automation, and then lack of infrastructure, which is what we are actually running into and monitoring these services as the process continues.